Kwa waziri
Nikigumano kia oro mwaka kia MCAs na maseneta gia guthurima mawatho ma kugacirithia thirikari cia matura urunduma na wiguano gatagati ga thirikari nene na cia county. No kigumano giki gia gatano ni githararire kwa ihinda thutha wa MCAs kurega kwaririo ni minister wa mathako Salim Mvurya uria ukurugamirire mutongoria wa bururi Ndagitari William Ruto.
The bottom is meeting the top and here. So we discuss issues that affect us. And we don't want a broker. No broker. It is us and the president. Any other person hatutaki.
MCAs aya moigite mathina na mihenge ria makoretwo makigerera ingiona kihonia kuma kuri president na kwa gwikinya makoiga ni kinyararo na koirwo na minister wa mathako gwikinya ni ithako matangihimbiirie.
God is good that your assembly knows you are here. The CAF knows we are here. What we need from CAF is to make sure that we drink and eat until the president comes.
Mamwe ma maundu maria marenda marungu ni mbunge cia county kuheagwo kigina gia kwirugamirira ni gukuhotithia MCAs kuhura magavana gabiru mategutwika hoi kuona ihinda riri magavana nio magayagira mbunge cia county kigina.
Tunataka county assemblies zikuwe stable. Tunataka tukue na autonomy ili assemblies zipate pesa zao ili tuweze kufanya oversight kwa utaratibu.
We've been having security issues with the members of the county assembly. Members have been attacked left, right and center. Some of them have lost their lives. We wanted him to address issues of security for the members of the county assemblies, same as members of the National Assembly.
Kigina gyo kuruini gatagati ka maundu mage kiondo rita ni maundu mare MCAs marenda maninwo niguo kumateithĩrĩria kugitira thirikari cia matura.
Tunataka pension. Tukishakuwa 2 terms kama wabunge, tunataka pia sisi tukue na pension. Kuna MCAs wameshafanya kazi 5 years ama 10 years. After that, ukiwaona hapa nje they are very miserable. Wengine wameshatafariki.
Thutha kuimuka mweke minister Mvurya ni gwicembia ecembirie na kumagara kuma nyumba-ini ya micemani mwena wa South Sea guku Nairobi. Huku MCAs makiringithia nyimbo.
Hii ni Kenya yote imekutana hapa. Hii ni Kenya yote. So our request remains the same. That the president wa Republic of Kenya aje akutane na mobilizers wa ground.
Omothe mutongoria wa bururi auma na micemanio itiganite umwe ari na atongoria a bengi ya gitaro kia Afrika thingira-ini wa iregi. Kameme TV ngikuhe uhoro Gitau wa Wanjiku.